The typewriter, a revolutionary invention, transformed the way we communicate. Imagine the mid-19th century. Letters were painstakingly handwritten, each stroke a labor of love. Then came Christopher Latham Sholes, who in 1868 created the first practical typewriter. His design introduced a QWERTY layout, which we still use today, aimed at preventing jamming by spacing out commonly used letters. By the 1870s, typewriters were becoming commonplace in offices, empowering secretaries and writers alike. The sound of keys clacking became the heartbeat of productivity. With each press, ideas flowed faster than ever before. But it wasn't just about speed, it was about accessibility. The typewriter opened doors for women in the workforce, allowing them to step into roles previously dominated by men. As technology evolved, electric typewriters emerged, followed by the personal computer, but the charm of the typewriter remains. It symbolizes creativity in the written word, a testament to human ingenuity that forever changed communication.